For our expedition, we done a lot on homestead, and we worked on natural disasters.
We're working on, I'm in 4th grade, I'm in this municipality class, and we're working on earthquakes and tornadoes and hurricanes and volcanoes. This is our earthquake safety poster that we had to make, and over there is mist from earthquakes and volcanoes over there, and hurricanes and volcanoes over there. That's cool.
How things are caused, like a blizzard, how it's caused because cold air and hot air mix, and it's like a whole bunch of wind and snow blows around, and it covers up a lot of stuff.
So it's mainly about earthquake shelters and earthquake. And what we were supposed to be doing, we were supposed to be building a tower, like a tower. We were supposed to add cross braces, and we were supposed to add rubber burns, and you're supposed to add like you're supposed to make a tower. So we would have the jello, the big box of jello, and we would shake it, and we would put it in there, make sure if it fall down, that means you didn't add enough things that make it stronger. And let's see. And if you shake it, it fall down, that means it's not stronger.
Okay.
And that means if your earthquake structure is if your earthquake shelter falls down, that means that your earthquake shelter is not strong enough for people to be in during an earthquake.
So everybody's building structures and then you test them out?
Yep.
Okay, so let's see what's going on.
This here. His earthquake shelter is not strong enough because he didn't add any rubber burns.
So what's your recommendations to them in the future?
The earthquake shelter is supposed to be strong enough so the people that's in there during the earthquake can be safe instead of the building just falling down.
They can't come in my building. I gotta rebuild mine.
We learned that they come from the natural resources, and we learned that they come from like inside or outside of Earth. Like the earthquakes, they came from inside of Earth. Like two tectonic plates are mashed up together, or like scratching each other. That's creating an earthquake. I'ma remember what is earthquakes and volcanoes like? How earthquakes and volcanoes came.
You didn't even add nothing in this, but it stood up.
I think one thing they wouldn't imagine about earthquakes is they would not imagine that earthquakes can ruin your whole life. And volcanoes, I think they imagine that they don't know where volcanoes came from or what the magma and hot lava makes the volcanoes. How did they make them? And we have a lot of things that we exploded the volcanoes, and there's pictures around that shows how we exploded the volcano.
How to be prepared for things like that. How to be prepared for time, what to have, and what to wear, where to be, and how to escape.
Well, we was making a tornado, and this is when we exploded the volcano. And you might can read some of these books about earthquakes, expedition about earthquakes, natural disasters. Our whole thing is about natural disasters.